Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, Office 365 or Outlook. COM and the translator add-in enabled. Open the email you need translated and focus on the message body, not attachments, so you can test quickly. Once done, click the add-ins icon in the message toolbar, choose Translator for Outlook, and allow permissions if prompted. This step starts the translation pipeline. You do this now to connect Outlook to Microsoft Translator services and prepare the message for in-place translation. Now you handle the core translation. Select the source language or use auto-detect so the service identifies it for you, then pick the target language you want. Click Translate to preview the results inline. You can translate the entire message or highlight specific text first if you prefer partial translation. Make sure to keep an eye on formatting and quoted text. Translator preserves layout but may alter line breaks, so review before replying or forwarding to ensure clarity and context remain intact. Finish by accepting the translation. Either replace the original text or insert the translated copy beside it. You choose based on workflow. Once accepted, reply, forward, or save the translated message and note the original language for records. If something goes wrong, first confirm the translator add-in has permission and your network connection is stable. Then restart Outlook and retry. If issues persist, disable and re-enable the add-in or sign out and back in to refresh your account tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.